Hello everyone, myself J. Vinay Kumar. Today we are going to deal with the subject Basic Electrical Engineering for mining students. The main objective of this presentation is to learn about the alternating quantities. In that alternating quantities, there are certain definitions. We are going to learn about those definitions. In that, the first one is the instantaneous value and maximum value, and also we are going to learn about the definition for frequency, time period, average value, RMS value, and also form factor and peak factor. Now let us see the first definition for instantaneous value. I- Here in this diagram we can see the alternating current. In this is the alternating current. In this x-axis represents the time and y-axis represents the amplitude. Here this point is the 0 degrees, and this point is the 90 degrees. Here it is the 180 degrees. In an AC waveform there will be one positive half cycle and also there will be one negative half cycle. Here we have divided this total cycle, positive and negative half cycle, into various parts. The first point is A, means here the magnitude of this waveform is 0, and at point B the magnitude is maximum. In a similar fashion at point C, means that is at 180 degrees, the magnitude of the waveform is 0, and also at point D the magnitude of this waveform is maximum, but it is in negative direction. In a similar fashion at 360 the magnitude will be 0. Now let us see the definition for instantaneous value. Instantaneous value means it is the magnitude of this alternating quantity at any instant. Means any instant means it may be at 0 degrees, or it may be at 90 degrees, or it may be at 180, at any certain point. If we see the magnitude, that is the instantaneous value. By definition we say that the magnitude of an alternating quantity at any instant is known as instantaneous value of the alternating quantity. Now let us see the next definition, that is the maximum value. In this waveform, where is the maximum value? Yes, the maximum value is at 90 degrees. Here at 90 degrees the magnitude is at peak value, so this is the maximum value. Means at point B it is maximum. By definition, the maximum value of positive or negative of an alternating quantity is called the amplitude or peak value. Now let us see the definition for frequency. This frequency is denoted by F. Frequency means it is the number of cycles completed by an alternating quantity in 1 second is called as frequency, and this frequency is denoted by F, and F is equal to 1 by T, where T is the time period, and the unit of this frequency is cycles per second, or it is also called as hertz, the unit for frequency. Now let us see the next definition, that is time period. Time period is nothing but it is the time taken by an alternating quantity to complete one cycle is called the time period. Time period is denoted by capital T. The formula for this time period, T is equal to 1 by F, where F is the frequency. The unit of time period is seconds. Now let us see what is meant by average value. Average value is nothing but it is defined as the DC current. It's also called as steady current, which when flowing through a given circuit for a given time produces the same amount of charge as produced by an alternating quantity when flowing through the same circuit for the same time. Now let us see what is meant by RMS value. RMS means the full form is root mean square value. This RMS value is defined as the steady current which when flowing through a given circuit for a given time period produces the same amount of heat as produced by the alternating current when flowing through the same circuit for the same time. In this alternating current is also called as effective value or virtual value. Now let us see the next definition, that is the form factor. Form factor is defined as the ratio of RMS value to the average value, means RMS value by average value of an alternating quantity. And the next definition is the peak factor. Peak factor means it is the ratio of maximum value to the RMS value of an alternating quantity. It's called as peak factor. Okay, thank you very much for listening these definitions.